Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to see how to translate your document into any language that you want to. So I have my English document and I'm going to be translating it into another language. So all you have to do is highlight where you want, and then you're going to go to review, and then you're going to go to translator and the language. So you're going to choose translate selection. So this happens if you want to translate a particular section in your document. As you can see, after pressing that, it brings these different languages you can translate into. So I'm going to go with the one that is more visible, that is going to be Chinese simplified. And as you can see, it is already translated, and we can choose some other languages. As you can see, there is a number of languages in here, every language that you want to translate into. So we're going to go with, to see another language, we're going to go with French. And as you can see, it's also translated it so well, but we're going to go back to Chinese because it's more visible. So I'm going to go with Chinese simplified, and here it is. And as you can see, as you hover over it, you can see which words are translated. So it shows you that this word is translated into this other word. So when you're done, when you feel everything is okay, you can just go to insert, and it's going to insert that into your word document. As you can see, we are already in Chinese right now, and it's looking good. So I am going to translate this other part of the document, and I'm also going to just pick a selection, but you can just select the whole document. And the translator, there is also an option of selecting a whole document. So you can select a whole document and translate a whole document, but I want to just translate simple sections. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to search for my Chinese again, and we're going to go with Chinese simplified, select, and then we're going to go to insert and have our Chinese document. When you're done, you can simply save this and share it with people in different languages. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you really had fun in this video, drop a like to the video, it helps a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.